Julo Mande. And we are back with another one. Welcome to More Zion Music, the platform where we react to Zion Music, Pula Ukwaba. Basically, let me just put it like this: your Zion Music analyst. I was in perfect. Guys, I want to apologize for not posting the past 2 days. But before I get into why I wasn't posting for the past 2 days, thank you to the people that have been subscribing for the past few days. And thank you for those who are subscribed. So if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure that you subscribe, hit that bell button, and also like the video so that my videos can get around. Guys, something hectic happened. Abantu baye bangenela la endlini la ejaridini bathatha izitina zami. Ney'tina eziyi-2 ezingekho manje. Ngadlala. None of that happened. What actually happened was Friday, my phone fell. The phone it fell. The screen. I was upset. I was like, yo, cause ow. Then I managed to fix it yesterday. So we are back. We are here. So today we are fulfilling someone's wish. Who Andile Mabaso suggested that I react to Isonto Yabo Christu Mes Choir. Konke kulungile. First of all, siqale so. YMCA. Okay, so YMCA. Okay. Thank you, my guy, whoever you is. Because Nazabo Andile, it can be a unisex name. You are male or female. Thank you very much. Big ups to you. And big ups to Umam Zuma for also reacting. Mam Zuma from Living. I appreciate you guys. So, without wasting you guys' time, let's dive right into it. Guys, man, actually, lo mchito se yun na sonto din. Inyoni something. Is it new? I'm quite sure. But yeah, isn't it him? So what is this? Is this like a combination of different churches singing together? Like, what's up? Let me know in the comments, ne? Yo. 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 Hey. Die. Okay. As the whole lady, there's too much echo. I can't even hear what they say. But for sure, so just cut my say, okay, hold on. Ibese ngaka. Disilwane mimoya. Nayizole base. There's too much echo here. I can't hear what they're saying. I'm trying to pick up what they're saying, but what whatever it is that they said, it sounds phenomenal. Oh my goodness. Guys, no, don't do that to me, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, bruh. Come on, man. How you gonna sound like this? How are you guys going to sound so good? Yar. I don't know what they're saying. Inyaga Jesu inzim. But I'll get it. I don't know if that's Ukambo, but I'll get what they're saying. Okay. Yo. Ay. Ay. Mara sakala ngefespata angamuzwa. 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 But I'm too focused on trying to get what they say. I man, guys, man, serious. Is this another church or is it choir of? Because it's another uniform and it's nice. Like it's nice. I will have to rewatch this video because the echo is really ruining the lyrics. I can't hear what they're saying, but this is what I can tell you. I hear. I hear.
This one, Palento. Why do I look so skinny? Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Anyway, hey, man, guys, I look skinny, man. I keep easy. Ooh. Anyway, I scored skinny, bam. Okay, guys, whoa. Okay, he's really back on the first part. Yabeso. Yabeso. Bazwela kude mara nyabeso. Yazi, ayikho mnandi njengokuzwa i-alto that sings like they are one person. Man, wow. You. I can imagine for an individual that was there, literally watching these people sing. I bet this guy is just chilling there and going like, yo, I've never heard such in my life. Yo, hey, 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 hey. Yo. I don't even have words to. I don't even have words. Like, I'm wordless right now. I am wordless. That thing doesn't have. Is what? Speechless. I'm speechless. Oh, yo, guys, are we sure? Good, this is a human voices. Like, are we sure that these are people singing? Like, are we sure? There's no way these people are sounding like this. You know, when you watch such videos, and you're wearing earphones, and you know, good earphone is broken down into compartments, right? Good earphone itself. But if you can hear the burst, yes, the burst, high bass, the burst. Accept bass, the burst. If you hear the burst, it kind of saw. Oi, guys. Oi, another one. I never, angeke. The way they drag like a Kulungile, it is by far one of the best ways I've ever heard. Like kulungile. Yes, but something konke kulungile. It's just I'm trying to get what they're saying before that, because now the building has too much echo. Angizwa that way. But you must be lying. You must be lying. People sounding like this in the middle of the day. Guys, hey man, I'm young for this, and it's too early for this. It is too early for this. Can I go 10? It's early for this, man. The bass of this choir, the burst of this choir, the burst of this choir, and something about the burst of this choir. Damn it! Hey, 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 the burst, bro. It's the burst for me. The way likhala ngakhona kule headphones, the burrs. Hayi, definitely. Definitely. Nami ngifuna ukukunikela awujami kodwa uvuselela umoya wami. Mivuselela mihlezi lana. Miyazi ukuthi imilanga lami nizohamba mkahle. No, no, no. No, definitely listen. Nami benganikela. Even if kuthiwa bengisela pha boke imali yami yokugibela, I don't care. Benyowoke ekhaya. Inkosi angithi sihlangene sizoyibona indlela ekhaya. What? Please, I'm still trying to keep ngizwa njalo nokonke kulungile. There's just too much echo in this building, so I can't hear. Shuthi kugcwele. No. Yeah, it has to be packed. I know Andile Mabaso, shout out to you, man. Shout out to you, man. Shout out to you. Yar. Ay. Ngila endlini mina dude, I'm here reacting, right? If I am taken aback by this, I can only imagine the people who were there, who saw this with their own eyes and heard it with their own ears, how they felt. No, man, no. Hey, 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 hey. Hi guys. Uh, 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 uh. No, another one. Hey, guys. Don't tell me what's in Shalela song is cutlass and what I was doing here, I didn't even record. Ngizokhala. But yo, hey. Hey, mina ngazi mina guys. Mina guys, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Chef. Mm-mm. I okay. I couldn't really get the lyrics. It was that means the building must have been full because it's just too much echo. I mean, that means the building was packed. But I will listen to it on my own. Because there were a lot of videos that I reacted to where I couldn't really pick up what they were saying. But I know they were saying konke kulungile, angazi indlela mahamba noJesu kunala kunzima khona, something. So I can attest to ukuthi the message of the song has to do with you choosing your path with God. And yes, things will be difficult, but konke kuzolunga. When you sell that to people, irrespective of how you put it, that thing was said because people go through stuff. People go through things. Hi. Inkonzo yabo Kristu, Mass Choir. Another one. I am loving this. I am loving this. Mm-mm. Even McDonald's has nothing on me. Wow. No. That was impressive. That was beyond impressive. No man, no man, no man. So anyway, guys, again, don't forget to give me suggestions. Always give me suggestions. You know, shoot, I know, man, dog. I would like you to react to this song specifically because I wanna Jongo Andy that just gave me the name. I was to know this video. Just gave me the name, and then I just chose the video according to what I saw. The first video that I saw, I just clicked on it, and I was like, I'm reacting to this one. But I will do more of even the choirs. Ningipeni nawo kuyasizwa the difference between ichoir lebandla nechoir elihlanganisiwe. You understand? And see the connection between the two. See what these people can actually create. So wow. I know. I mean, I'm impressed, man. Yeah. I mean, I know my day will be blessed. So yo guys, before I leave, tired. Make sure that you hit that like button. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also don't forget to give me suggestions. And the more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. Appreciate you guys. It's been a month since I started the YouTube channel. We are legit 26 subscribers away from 100 subscribers in a month. That's impressive. So, yo, in the favorite words of the Jupiter, adios.